This is the backrest off the FLH. When I'm driving it, it rattles. They're all spring loaded. It's got like shock absorbers inside of it here. And it's rattling at certain RPMs. I just vibrate like hell. It's pissing me off. I already fixed this thing once. I riveted in this plate in here. It was all cracked and broken. But I noticed this rubber over here was right loose, so I'm gonna put a little Loctite on it. Oh, that's not it. I'm not sure if I can get rid of that rattle. I don't know. Fuck. Jeez. I'll tighten this rubber up for one thing. My last video there, when I was putting the primary cover on, I downloaded that video and edited it and put it on YouTube, and I realized I was missing one whole video in there of topping up the oil, putting the oil level up to the bottom of the clutch, and I ended up using a Sportster gear case and chain oil. It's red, and it's probably ideal for that. But you could probably use just about anything. That should be tight. Maybe the rattling I'm hearing is this metal piece I put in here now, where before it was plastic. Maybe that's why it cracked. Maybe I'll put a piece of rubber behind that. It's annoying.
Congratulations to Rick Hicks from Canopy Township getting $50 to spin at Blue Water Rhino Linings for the 12 days of gift cards coming up. Day 11 on Monday. That's going to be $50 to Napa Port Huron. You know, WSAQ.com. Experience.
Okay. So that's that. I could put a piece of rubber in there, or some kind of dampening material. I got this thick rubber stuff. I could put a piece of that behind there. Maybe that'll help. I don't know. I'm gonna try something. That noise is annoying.
With over 600 Zillow reviews, My Mutual Mortgage has a 4.96 rating out of 5 stars. With their mobile website, mymutual.com, you answer a couple quick questions from your smartphone and receive almost immediate follow-up with one of My Mutual Mortgage's local loan officers. So if you're browsing for homes for sale right now, simply go to
Yeah, I'm gonna find something softer than that. I got some better stuff than that around.
fast. And if you have questions,
I'm gonna jam this in there. That's not going to make any noise. At least for a while. Now I just got to make it more permanent. try this stuff. Friday night, tinkering in my garage. This glue's getting pretty thick here. Whoop. Yeah, this one's tight here. That one was rattling all around, so that might be part of the noise, but it kind of sounds like that. Let's try that. Come on. It's getting dark out. Oh boy, there's Barky. Oh, Barky. Where's my wrench? Where's my wrench? Oh. 7/16. Rerun. It's that time of night, I know. Rerun. Just a minute. Hold your drawers. still hear that noise. Here's the sound I'm hearing. It's that centerpiece. Something's loose. Do it again. Speed things up here. What the hell's rattling in there? What's your dog? Let's bring this back inside. Here's the noise. It's in here. That's what it is. It's hitting on the inside in here. Yeah, just put a little piece of where'd my square piece of rubber go? I had a piece cut out. Just put a little piece of rubber in there. No more noise. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what it's driving me nuts when I'm driving because the bike just vibrates at that one speed. I just had a nice, perfectly cut square piece here. Oh well. Got another one. Yeah, let's do that.
Unfortunately, we are seeing rising levels of COVID-19 infections here in St. Clair County and throughout our state. In order to avoid a second stay-at-home order, we all need to do three simple things. First, wear a mask when indoors in public. Second, continue to maintain social distancing whenever possible by staying 6 feet away from others. Third, wash your hands often with warm soapy water. This is throughout the day, especially during meal preparation and after returning home from public locations. Alcohol-based hand cleaners.
It's too thick, this glue. It's starting to go bad. Right here.
What's he doing there?
Well, he was barking like crazy. Oh, he always comes here. He always goes to the fence over here and barks. that paper bag I put out to the road.
Not yet.
Okay, I'll bring it back.
Could be in that bag too, because I threw some weeds in there when I
That bag was in behind here. Not
yeah, I
that.
threw some stuff in there one day.
Well, I doubt it.
Walking by, I threw something in. You never know.
Stick a little piece of rubber in there. I didn't let that set long enough. I should have waited till that got tackier. I'm gonna put a little piece of Gorilla Tape on there. Right here, little dog, right here. This is gonna do it. There, a little piece of Gorilla Tape on there, that'll hold that. That was the noise. Don't hear nothing now. Okay. One more thing fixed. Come on, dog, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Dark out. Getting hard to see what I'm doing. Here we go. Oh, perfect. All 6 went in. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess there's a little plastic washer on that thing. Didn't see that when I first put it on. Bastards, get in there. Not hard. Okay, let's try that. No more rattle. That's one fix. I got one more. Your time. Okay. I put in those new H4 bulbs, and they're 95 130, 95 watt low beam, 130 high beam, and I haven't tried them at nighttime, but just kind of wanted to see. Hard to tell there. Probably drain my battery quicker. I don't know if you can see any difference or not. I don't even know. Huh. Won't know until nighttime. Come on, dog. Okay, got another issue. I ordered this off Amazon, not this one. Where's the part? This one. I ordered this off Amazon. It said from 1990 to 96 or 97, maybe 98. Mine's a 1990. This fits 1991 and up. 1990's different. Whoa, where's the beer? This has got smaller holes. Mine is bigger. This doesn't fit at all. So I got an idea. What's that noise? I think I'm going to take mine off, and I'm going to cut this out, drill a hole in mine, and glue it in there. Maybe just cut out the center section here, put it on the inside. I think that's what I'm going to do. Tomorrow's project. Ordered a carb for this. All of the idle circuit holes are plugged off everywhere. There's no adjustments on this carburetor. This is an Onan 2800, and I can get it to run with partial choke on, throttle revved up, and it'll generate power on its own. It's carburetor, so $50 new carburetor. This was 42. I always throw prices in there because I know when I watch videos, I like what that thing cost. You can get these things on eBay though anywhere from $29 to $65 or $75. So with Canadian exchange and shipped to my house, I think it was $42. Yep. So that's where that's at. Still got to put the ignition switch in this one here, and I got to ride this thing more. I got to get it out. I got to get some riding on that. I got too many projects. I want to get rid of this one. I want to get rid of the Suzuki. I don't need all these bikes. Yeah. I'm gonna cut this out with a die grinder. I'm gonna weld it or panel bonding epoxy it to the old one. It'll work fine. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, that's it for tonight. Cheers.